Well, hello folks, my name's Ian. You know, this is me shed. I mean, look at the time, what is it? 20 to 8 in the evening. I've only just come home from work. Now, bad traffic, but I was asked, Ian, on your way home, do you want to pick a Hoover up? A vacuum cleaner. So I think, yeah, why not? You never know what these things lead to. And this is one of those things that led to something. We'll go. I've not unloaded the car yet. To be honest, I've got nowhere to put it. But we'll cross that bridge as we come to it. There we go. As you, obviously, it's pitch black here. Going around here, the floodlight should kick in. There it is. And it'll go off for a quick second. Yeah, we picked a vacuum cleaner up, and then he said, I've had a tidy out, give me a bandsaw, heater, scrap, wire, brass bits, cordless drill. Best bet I think is get this lot in and do the other bit. Wave my hands about, gets the floodlight going. And see what we actually did pick up. Not a great deal to look at. Got a heater, says it's working. Top there, that's got a power tool in it. Cheap cordless battery set. I can see there's a grease gun or something in there. Cable, extension lead, a 3-wheel bandsaw, the Dyson vacuum cleaner, and a handrail. Well, the handrail, I'll guess, will go in the fire, but the brass brackets go in the brass tub. Alright, so that's me. 10 to 8 now. Time I need to go in and have my tea. Get showered, go to bed. I need my beauty sleep. So we'll go through this, possibly at the weekend. See you soon. Well, good evening folks. My name's Ian. This is my shed. You're welcome to come in. The clip you've just seen was during the week. It's Friday now. The weekend is upon us. Let's go look at this. We've been and done the food shop. Got the beers outside here chilling just nicely, just championly. I'll be careful, I better not drink the Red X instead of the in the beer. I kind of got a bit of a problem though. I've been bringing more stuff home, and when it gets late, like it was the other night, 8 o'clock, I just open the garage door and then I just throw the stuff in. And here we get Friday afternoon, and I can't even get in the garage now, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of tidying up. I picked up some more wire. The thing about having a wood burner is you have to keep bringing wood home and finding home for wood and some more wood. Some bits in there as well. My best bet is to tidy this up and then show you what I've got. I'll see you in about 5 days. Oh well, it didn't take 5 days, only 3.5 days, but I can walk through my garage again. The Dyson I picked up works, needs a good clean, but it's picking up well, so that's a bonus. let's have a look at what we picked up. I'll be honest, it doesn't look as good as what Miss Canadian Scrapper picked up. She did a video, well, 2 videos this week. She's cleared a shed clear out, a hoarder's place. She got a lot of iron, but she got a nice bunch of stuff as well, some tools. She did better than me. Go and have a look at Miss Canadian Scrapper's videos. Let's see what I got. Okay folks, so we managed to tidy up, get the bench tidy a little bit. What do we get? We got a bunch of cable, something nice, pretty thick. Look at that, that's as thick as my finger. There's some nice copper in that. That's a 3-phase 415 volt carrying cable. We've got an extension lead, and that's a try that. I'll plug it into my CD socket, so if anything goes bang, it should be slightly protected. Picked a couple of grinders up. That one's pretty obvious. It's got a snap lead. Can't try that one. Another grinder here. Oh, that was interesting. We've got a light on. You can see that. So that works. We put that grinder in there. That. Oh, that's not right. Whoa, magic smoke. Put the fan on. Oh, that wasn't so champion, was it? That's champion. So, that's scrap. So, throw that in the scrap bucket, on the scrap pile. Possibly take the lead off that one, put it on that one, give it a try. What else did we pick up? We'll pick this heater up. And what's happening here? You can see, this is a bit dodgy. You can see that light's flickering on and off. If in doubt, give it a clout. Yes. Way. Right, so that certainly works. Turn off. So we've got 400 watts, 800 watts, 1200 watts. Oh, that's nice. Well, that'll come in handy in the shed, of course, won't it? Of course, we picked up this bandsaw as well. It's a model BBS 20. It's got to be older than my granddad, this. It's a Burgess, and it's running, but you can't tell. The blade isn't going round. So, do we have a look at that? You know, these things, it's like a quick screw and they spring loading and they pop out, and there's 3 of them, so that comes off. And Just looks like the blades come off. Right, a little bit of play with the tension and... Well, the blade's going round. It'll cut anything. Probably got here the thinnest piece of plywood you could find. Well, it cut it in half. So maybe that's got a little bit of potential. Maybe it's just scrap. I don't know. Just showing you what I've picked up. Let's carry on. Well, the fire is warming up nicely now. I don't need this coat on. Look, it's back at the desk. What have we got? Well, useful. These tubs are always useful. Bit of grudge. We got one of these reciprocating tools. You know, and variable speed as well. That's a find, isn't it? I do already have one of these to take interchangeable ends. That one's a little saw end, and you can have them with diamond bits on for grinding. Oh, that's another find. Another Horde life. Bit of clamps. Interesting. Crap. Yeah. Go on. Any clues, everybody? Any clues? Oh, it's brass anyway. So, win-win, it's brass. We got this big tub. Right, fit in. Iron, all iron. So the only thing I'm going to get out of this is a little bit of very light cable and the brass pins that's in there. Scrap light at its best. What else have we got? Skip it out. Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Back boxes. Tiny little brass in the corner. There. Switches. There. What's that? That seems a little interesting, doesn't it? It's some sort of arm on a thread. You turn that and the arm goes in and out. We'll make something with that. Keep light. Plugs, got brass on. There's a video coming shortly about plugs. Pull switch. Clicking on and off. Copper. Grease gun. Brass. More brass. More brass. A bit of lead. What's that? Well, it's a door catch, and it's got some wiring going to it. So that's either an alarm or we'd have to take this to bits. It does say on there 8 to 12 volts, so maybe in there is a solenoid. You click a button and this will swivel open, so a remote door opener. I'll show you this. It's basically shit, really. The kitchen door fittings aren't even stainless, so yeah, nothing of worthwhile in there really. That was it. And finally we had this Karcher pressure washer, so who knows, let's stick it in and see what happens. Either work or it won't work. Hey, that worked. Right. That's the bloody trouble, isn't it? It works. So if that works, does it become keep life? Do I mess around with it? Do I connect it up to the water? It came with the hose and everything, so I could try it. Maybe in the next vid. I will. I'll play around with that. But, oh no, it's just scrap. Yeah, I got a grease gun out of it. Power tool out of it. A heater out of it. And a Hoover out of it. But you hear me say, yeah, I got this this Dyson Hoover out of it, which now makes it, well, Dyson vacuum cleaner. Hoover is a generic name for a vacuum cleaner. Went into the English language, didn't it? We'll class it as an Hoover. Got 1 Hoover, 2 Hoovers, 3 Hoovers, 4 Hoovers. I got 5 Hoovers, 6 Hoovers, 7 Hoovers. That's Henry. That's Henry, by the way. So 7 Hoovers. Well, I've always said a man can't have enough hammers, and it seems you can't have enough Hoovers. I'm going to try and make sense of this video, get it uploaded. Oh, and just last night I was on Mick Mower's stream, and whilst I was on that stream, I tipped over the 8,000k 8,000k, that's 8,000 subscriber mark. Kind of sneaked up on me on that, so I haven't had a chance to think about a giveaway. I'm going to have to do something. So quick thanks to all you people who's hit that thumbs up, who's hit that like, who's hit that subscribe button. It does mean a little something, you know, touches you there. Right, I'm going to get some editing done. As always, see you lot in the next one. Someone went creak. I think it's the heat. Look at that, the heat. Where are we? Oh, nice. It's about 16 degrees and warming up. Let's have a look at the fire. Speaking about the fire, yeah, well, you find out you need to start sawing wood, storing wood, cutting it up, making kindle. Got some wood here that's wet through, so that's drying out. Let's put this on, because that handle does get warm. It's very warm. Somewhere along the line, I picked up these tongs, which work just nicely as a poker. Whoa, just look at that. Who doesn't like? Who doesn't like giving her a poker? No, Ian. Got a nice chunk of hardwood in here somewhere. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Huey Lion's Art. Eat your heart out. Look at that hardwood. How did I miss that? In. Yeah, always on my knees again. Catch you in the next one. See you, folks.